Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can do freezer app in your Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. If you can check here, just long press the app and click on app info. In some smartphone it will show archive section, archive feature on this, and sometimes in this smartphone there is not showing any archive feature, so you can download any app. Here it is, I have downloaded this app. You can check it from here, Icebox app freezer. Just click on to open it, then get started and give all the permissions. Allow background optimization. You have to just scroll down and here it is. Friends, you have to tap on this to optimize it and just click on this, click on done, and then you have to go again and enable this allow notification. Then you have to connect to a Wi-Fi first. Let's connect to the Wi-Fi like this. And friends, you can see it is connected. Press on done and you have to allow this enable USB debugging. You can see about phone, build number, tap 7 to 8 times, then go to system developer option, then USB debugging. Then you have to search here build number, click on this 6 to 7 times, enable the password, and you are now developer. Then you have to press back, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, you will see here it is developer option, and you have to just scroll down and see where it is debugging, and here it is USB debugging. You have to enable this and it is now enabled successfully. Now go to the app, you can see enable wireless debugging, click on this, got it. Friends, you have to enable this also, wireless debugging. You can see here it is allow wireless debugging on this network, then press allow and simply press back and open the app. Here it is, simply press back and just click on this, and friends, you can see it is now successfully activated, and you can see, and you have to give all the permissions. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. And there is another way also. You can just download another app. You can just click on the Play Store and you have to scroll down. Here it is app freezer. You can try this app also. You can see here it is. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.